Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a remake, remodel, makeover type deal with this hair from Asteria hair. All I'm going to be doing is bleaching this hair, putting some highlights in it and making it cute. So for this you're going to need some bleach. I'm using quick blue bleach today. You're also going to need some aluminum foil and some developer. I'm using 30 and 40, and you're also going to need some gloves, a bowl, and a brush. Alright, so we're going to get right into it. I'm just parting my hair right now, and you'll see in a second that all I'm going to be doing is the comb method, and I'm just weaving the comb through the hair to pick out certain pieces of this section or this portion of the hair that I'm using, and I'm going to be bleaching that part only. You don't have to use a comb. You can literally like pick with your hands if you want to, but I just use a comb to make it easier. After I do that, I just apply the bleach. You can apply the bleach like I'm doing right now with inside of the foil if you don't want to be too messy, or you can just apply it with your hand. It just depends on you. So as you see, I'm going to be repeating this process throughout the hair, the back, the front, the sides, the closure, the part. I'm just going to be doing this weaving comb method. It's really easy. All you have to do is just take your time. If you don't want to do this, like I said, you can actually just use your hands like I said before. It just depends on how you want your hair, how you want your highlights to be. But because I want a pretty amount of good highlights within this hair, I'm going to be weaving a lot just to make sure that I get a lot of hair bleach throughout the hair, so when we go in for a second time and bleach the hair, the highlights will be even better and even more prettier. Okay, so this hair is from Asteria hair. You can find them on AliExpress. They do have an Instagram. They have that same hair on Amazon. You can literally just Google the hair and you'll find it. But this hair is from Asteria hair. I've had this hair for over, I know, a year or so. I'm not even lying to y'all. This is the honest truth. I've had this hair for a really long time, and I have so many like long black wigs, and I just decided to just bleach this one because I've had it for so long. So I just decided to see how well it will bleach and how well it will take color. So I will leave the specs to this hair, the lengths, the price, the website where I got the hair from, all in the description box down below. This hair has been treating me really well. I've had it for a long time. Like I said before, I didn't really have a problem with this hair at all. The lace was great, the hair was great, everything went well with this hair. I didn't have any problems with it at all from what I can remember. But if I do remember anything, I will leave it in the comment section down below. But other than that, I'm just gonna revamp this hair, color it, bleach it, put some highlights in it, and just make it look better. Alright, so as you can see here, I switched over to putting the bleach in my hand because working with that foil was just too much, and I was trying to get this bleach in and out as quick as possible. So all the bleach and the coloring will be even around. You want to make sure that you're bleaching this hair throughout. I usually don't comb through the hair because it takes up most of the bleach, but if you want to make it better, you can run a comb through it, you can brush through it, but just make sure that you're getting the bleach throughout the whole entire piece, the whole entire section, just so you won't have any cuts, creases, lines through your bleach, through your hair, so people won't know that you don't know how to bleach. We don't want that. Alright, so after I bleach it for the first time, I'm just going to rinse this out. Beware, this hair, like y'all, I haven't worn this hair in a long time, so that means I haven't washed it in a long time. So you can see right here that the water is very dirty, murky, ugly looking, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to be using the Shimmer Lights shampoo to tone this hair down. I'm not going to wash it yet with shampoo just because I want the Shimmer Lights shampoo to be the first thing that the hair touches after the bleach has been on the hair, because we want to tone this hair down and bring out those beautiful blonde highlights. This hair took the bleach well, but it left like a lot of rusty color, so I wanted to make sure to get rid of that immediately. So I decided to just wait till I put the Shimmer Light shampoo on it before I shampooed it with my regular shampoo. So this is how the hair came out after the first wash. It's really pretty. I am going to bleach this again, and I'm going to use my Shimmer Light shampoo again to bring the rustiness out of the hair some more. I let this hair sit overnight, let it air dry. It's still kind of damp, but that's okay. Don't worry about your hair being too damp, or just to damp a little bit if you're trying to bleach it again, because the bleach will still take. So I'm just going to bleach. I can't talk no more. I'm just going to repeat this whole process of the bleaching this way, because I bleached it before. Now when we bleach it a second time, the hair is going to be even more brighter, even more blonder, and that's exactly what we want. So I'm just going to bleach this hair one more time, and make sure when you bleaching your hair a second time that you're taking precautions. You don't want to over bleach it, let it sit too long. You don't want to let it sit more than 45 minutes, because if the hair doesn't take the bleach well, it can get stringy and it can damage your hair. So just take precautions when you're bleaching your hair if you're doing it more than once. If you're wondering why you don't see me doing the combing method or the weaving method right here, it's because I messed up. Instead of me doing the weaving method, I literally just started bleaching the hair without even sectioning it off or parting it, and I just messed up. But it's okay, because the hair came out nice. I'm not even tripping, not even worried about it, and the hair was already previously bleached, so this just made it even better. But if you do mess up, just make sure that whatever you do on one side, you do it on the other. So I don't know if I'm gonna show it or not, but because I bleached this whole section without parting it, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just so it can be even when we're styling our hair. So I just repeated this same process throughout the rest of the hair. I did do the weaving method on the other sections of the hair, so the hair did come out how I wanted it to. But I'm going into my second wash, and as you can see here, the colors look amazing. The highlights look great, and before I shampoo it again, like I said before, I'm just going to put some Shimmer Light shampoo on it, just so we can get some of that rustiness out. Yeah, I did put a lot, because I'm not trying to play with this hair at all. I need for all little strands, little pieces, little parts, little sections of the hair to get this work. Okay, so I did put a lot on here, and I just let this massage and let it sit for a little bit, just so I can know that every section of the hair got some Shimmer Light shampoo on it, because we do not want no rustiness throughout this wig. So after I let that sit for maybe like 2 or 3 minutes or so, I did go in with my coconut shampoo. This is the only shampoo that I will use on my hair and on my weave. Other than that, I just use Tresemme, but I just put some coconut shampoo on this as well. I'm only going to wash this once, because I've already washed it with the Shimmer Light shampoo, so we've already technically washed it maybe like twice already. So I'm just going to shampoo this with the coconut milk shampoo, so we can get some of that smell from the Shimmer Lights out. This is all shedding that I got. As you can see, I don't know if y'all saw that, but that was all shedding that I got from washing this hair. I did get a little bit more afterwards once I used the coconut milk shampoo, but it wasn't really that much, nothing to really just care about. So after I condition it with some Tresemme shampoo and let it sit out in the air for a day or so, this is how the hair came out. This looks amazing, y'all. Like, the hair felt so good. The colors came out so nice. I was so proud of myself. I was so proud of how the color turned out. There was some highlights, some lowlights, and the hair even had a little bit of rustiness to it, and I wasn't really upset about that because it gave the hair some dimension and the hair just came out nice. Something that I noticed was that the closure bleached more blonder. I don't know if that's the right term for that, but it bleached blonder than the bundles did, and it was okay because, like I said, it just turned out great. So I just ended up putting some wand curls in it, and as you can see right here, the hair came out beautifully. Can't even talk. It looks even better in the light. You can see the dimensions in the hair, the browns, the blondes, you know, the reds, everything just came out great. So yeah, I'm just going to be curling my hair, and then I'll talk to y'all I'm going to show you what the hair looks like in some more light. So I'll talk to y'all when the clip changes, I guess. Alright, so here we are in some better lighting, even better than before. This is how the hair looks. It came out beautifully, like I just keep saying. The hair feels great. It came out great. The hair feels nice. Everything looks well. Even the lace on the hair came out great. After I have to work with it a little bit, but after all, it just came out great. I'm trying to fix, you know, how I want the hair to lay, just how I want the curls to be. But other than that, y'all, this came out great and I loved it. So yeah guys, that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. But like I said before, this hair is from Asteria hair, AliExpress, Amazon, Instagram, wherever you want to get it from. But I will leave all the links to the description box. I will leave all the links to this hair in the description box down below so y'all can check this hair out if you want to get with it. If you want to, don't even matter. It's up to you. The hair color came out beautiful. I have no complaints about it. The hair feels the same just as when I bought it a couple years back. Like, the hair still feels great. The color came out beautifully. I did bleach it twice and I used my girl shimmer lights to tone it down some, and it came out great, y'all. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you do want to see some more hair tutorials, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get that ready for y'all. But other than that, I have nothing else to say. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope y'all are at home being healthy, being blessed, and staying at home if you can. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.